from my window, I see a beautiful stranger who beckons to me. I know where she comes from, but where does she go? One day I'll go with her, and then I shall know. Each day when she passes at 10:23, her eyes find my window. She's smiling at me. I run to the stand, but too late she's gone. She'll beg me tomorrow at 1:15. On Sunday I miss her. She doesn't come back. I don't know the reason, 'cause I'll never know why. She might go away on the weekend, but then she'll come back on Monday at 10:20. The week Pasquality, and often I see that beautiful stranger who beckons to me. She stands on an island surrounded by sea, and the smile on her lips says fly, BOAC.